Hello my young minds, welcome again to I have just decided to mention some tips in this video so that you can get a perfect strategy by which you can really learn how to speak English fluently. Really, do you want to learn to speak English fluently in 10 days? If someone say to all of you that I give you some strategy and some tips that really make you learn to speak English fluently in 10 days, I think most of the people will say it's not possible. If you follow strictly some tips and tricks while you are learning English speaking, I think the English speaking can be activated in your mind. I think you can learn English speaking very easily. In this video, I shall discuss some appropriate tips. That tips is really authentic that make you learn easily the English speaking so that you can speak English in an easy way. The first method is that watching English TV series. Do you know watching TVs and reality shows is not only a medium of entertainment. I think even if you pay attention to the reality show of TV, but that show should be in English language. I think this criteria or this method must mature your English speaking. Paying attention regularly to the English TV series or the programs that is telecasted in the TV in English language will really give you a lot of power and strategy to build your communication skill. And here the second method is that make use of online courses. Do you know in this day the totally whole the world is surrounded by the digital gadgets, and do you know the digital courses are highly in demand. Suppose you are watching YouTube and searching any educational content in Google, you can find easily any of them, and the reason is that the total world is surrounded by the gadgets of digital, and so your intention is to learn the English speaking in an easy way or within a less time. I think you should pay your attention to online courses. In these days, many websites and many platforms present in internet that really offers a lot of courses related to English speaking practice, and so I think this criteria or these steps will must build a lot of confidence in your mind. If you want to learn English speaking betterly, you must pay your attentions to online courses provided by the internet. And the next strategy is talk to yourself in English. If you have ability to construct English sentences while you are imagining, you should talk to yourself during your imagination in English language. If you have no ability to imagine anything, even you can't speak in Hindi language, even your mother tongue will give you a lot of problem to express your thoughts. Sometimes you may have faced that you are talking in the stage but with the help of your mother tongue. But sir, I have no larger number of Hindi vocabulary and my imagination skill is less active, and due to this I am facing a lot of problem while I talk on the stage in front of the mass people. The reason is that your imagination even did not get wings to fly over. So in this condition, you may apply a strategy by which your imaginative power can be increased, and the strategy is that whenever you are talking to yourself, at first you should imagine yourself in English language in your mind. Whenever you talk to your image and interact to your image in English language, it will boost your English speaking, and even you can give mastery in this language. So I think whenever talking to your image in front of the mirror is called talking to yourself, and really this will give much power to boost your communication skill. And the other things to which you can give the strength of your mind to learn this language is that focus on your goal. Many a time we avoid our important work and we are busy in a baseless activities. Due to this, we are wasting our time without any reason. our maximum time should be applied to the learning of skills. That skills may be the speaking of English language and the other skills. I think day by day and even up to 20 minutes or 30 minutes we should practice to speak English with our friends. And if we have no any friends and sir we have no any medium, so how can we converse with someone? The question is very important, and so you can talk to the screen of your mobile after switching on the camera. I think when you talk to the camera, the images in the camera just really give you a lot of power, that how you will express your thought and where you will express your thought and which words and which type of grammatical sentence should be applied while you are expressing your thoughts to the people. And so you have to at least give your 15-minute times daily to practice English speaking in front of the mirror or in front of your mobile camera, so that you can give mastery and you can improve your English speaking day by day. Here the next steps that I am going to talk to you is really fantastic. You know, writing is the soul of every language. If you have ability to write anything in your language, that is with the help of your words and your sentences, really you get a lot of power. Suppose you are going to the seminar and you are given the mics to express yourself and to express about your thoughts in front of the mass people, then it is mandatory to prepare yourself before presenting in front of the mass people in the seminar. And so you must prepare our notes, and the notes should be practiced again and again orally in front of the mirror, so that when you talk to the mass people, your confidence and the different way of speaking really attract the maximum people present in the seminar. And here last stage is keep practicing. Always I tell you that this method, that is practicing anything, actually you may have heard a sentence or a proverb that practice makes man perfect. If you give your time to practice in English speaking and even in any skill, really that skill will be the most appropriate weapon, and that weapon can be driven in any direction and with any methods. And so I think if you want to learn English speaking, you need to practice on daily basis. I think all these activities and a strategy that I have told you in this video is really crucial. So I think if you apply this strategy while you are practicing English speaking, I think really this must improve your English speaking and the communication skill in English language.